Namaskar, brothers, sisters. I salute the divine in you. We are here in the sacred valley of Peru, Urubamba, up in the hills. And decided to put this course together about the meditation. And using two traditions, but I feel very complementary to each other and give a foundation for any other type of meditation that one can undertake. You know? So that's why we have the Buddha way of meditation can be resumed by one word, presence, you know, or instant presence. And then we have Valhalla, Christ, Essene ways of meditation, because it's all the same, Valhalla and Christ and the Essenes, they had the same way of meditation by worshipping the flame here, the light, representing God within and out. Why these two approaches together? Of course, when you practice at first, you practice one and then you practice the other separately. But at the end, everything mingles. Why does it mingle with each other? Because they are just the pure expression of your natural state, or the divine within you. When we have prayer and meditation, we are starting to communicate through the prayer, the communication from the inner divine to the higher consciousness. That is like a God, the absolute vast grace light, Brahmjyoti, Tao, same. It is represented by the flame, like I explained in the teaching of the video about prayer and meditation. When you are doing this practice, if you have developed before a good understanding and some inner experience of a Buddha way of meditation, you apply the principles into prayer and meditation also, then you will see that the results are way higher. You will not get attached, or you will not grasp all the different kinds of manifestation that can appear in front of you or feel inside. You'll be able to stay present and just whatever arises and goes by itself. Even when you are, worshipping the light, you are, gazing at the flame. You might have some visions coming, different type of feeling. This also, it is there, existing in the moment, but when it has to go. It's not something you want to grasp. So the Buddha way of meditation is very important this way. And the Buddha way of meditation is here to help you also to be able to see things for what they are. It's like putting everything flat, it's raw. It's like you look at yourself in the mirror, you see yourself who you are, exactly what it is, and not for something you're projecting into. So it's very good at the mind level, have a clarity of mind. Then when we speak about the prayer and meditation from Valhalla teachings or Yeshua Christ, Essenes, then we have the prayer that is there to help you to open your heart, seeking inside the prayer, like it is explained. And then this you offer to the light, Then when you have this moment of silence, of sitting for receiving, that's why if you practice the Buddha way of meditation before this moment of silence, you are able to sit more easily, you understand. So those two merge together, very important. So we have the presence, this is more like the mind, the spaciousness. And we have the love, the heart. That gives a kind of a grounding into all this, into the spaciousness within the physical body. In the Orthodox tradition, Christian Orthodox tradition, we have a lineage connected to more hermit type of Christians that have practiced meditation and prayer in isolation. And it is one of the techniques is called the prayer of the heart. But most of the time it is start with using words that are already conceived, like repeating like a mantra, and in relation to asking the grace from the Christ or blessing from the Christ or whatever else, But I find this is not the true prayer of the heart. No, true prayer of the heart is what it is taught here, You are seeking the prayer inside you. It's not already existing words that is been written by another saint or enlightened being or whoever, It is your own prayer. So for the people who are interested also in the Hesychast tradition, sorry, maybe in English I don't pronounce well, this Christian Orthodox hermits styles, that focus the life in the prayer and meditation through the prayer of the heart. They have the knowledge of what I explain here with the Buddha and let's say the Essene way, because Valhalla is an Essene and the Christ is an Essene, then we can access more, In this tradition, they had a manifestation of the rainbow body, not the light body, like we speak in Togao. And don't take lightly this practice, because this practice is really like you're walking with the light, and it really develops to this kind of realization. Of course, a bit more instruction is required to help you not be lost. But there are important techniques that really help you to go back to your essence, to who you are. In the daily life, as an enlightened being, the prayer and meditation is natural. You're always in prayer. You are expressing from your heart. The prayer is the expression from the heart. You look the beauty in nature. Wow, you're beautiful. You tell, oh, thank you for this. This is prayer. Also, it's expression from the heart. Whatever is in the heart that it is weighing on you or that is light, it needs to be expressed, to be freed. And when you are in the awareness, the presence there, the moment, it makes a big difference. This is how these two practices combine each other and complete each other.